Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set up Shopify payments. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Shopify store. After logging into your Shopify, you will see your Shopify's dashboard. Now in order to set up payments, you'll have to click on settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And it is going to take you to this page, that is the general page under settings. Here, you'll have to search for payments option from this list. So search for payments and click on payments. Now this is going to take you to the payments page. Here you can easily set up your payments. So the first method for setting up payment is payment providers. So providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party is available here. An additional fee will be applied to new orders once you select a plan. Now, click on choose a provider button and it is going to show you this page where you can simply select any of the payment method you prefer. For example, if you like Stripe, you can click on it and it is going to take you to Stripe's page where you'll have to log in using your Stripe user credentials. After you log in using your credentials like email address and password on Stripe, it will be successfully connected with Shopify and you would have set up a Stripe on Shopify. So you can search for your preferred payment method by clicking here and searching for that specific name and selecting that method. Now go back and in the payment methods, you can activate PayPal by clicking on Activate PayPal. When you click on this button, it is going to take you to this page where you can click on Activate button and it is going to take you to PayPal's page where you'll have to sign up on PayPal, where you'll have to log in on this page using your PayPal credentials and it will be connected with Shopify. Now go back and click on Add Payment Method under PayPal and search for another payment method here. Or you can also click on search by provider, search by a provider name and add that specific payment method according to your preference. Now you can scroll down again and see that here's payment capture method. Payments are authorized when an order is placed. Now, if you want to know how to capture payments, click on the capture payments link here and it is going to take you to this page where you can learn how to capture payments. Now, choose a payment capturing method, whether you want it to be automatically at checkout, automatically when entire order is fulfilled, or manually. So you can select any one of these options according to your preference, scroll down and navigate to manual payment method. Click on this small plus icon under manual payment method and you will see 4 options. Create custom payment method, bank deposit, money order or cash on delivery. So many people search for cash on delivery option. If you are accepting cash on delivery, simply choose cash on delivery in this section and add additional details for the cash on delivery, and this detail will be displayed to customers when they are choosing a payment method. Now, you can navigate to payment instructions and to display add payment instructions to display to customers after they place an order with this payment method. After filling out the details, click on Activate Cash to Delivery option at the bottom and it would successfully activate cash on delivery for your products on Shopify. You can also click on Manual Payment Method and click on Create Custom Payment Method. Now enter a custom payment method name, enter additional details about that method, the payment instructions for that method and click on Activate. After you do this, you can navigate to payment method customizations. Here you can control how payment methods appear to your customers at checkout. So click on View Payment Method Customization Applications. After you click on that button, it is going to show you this page where you can simply select any one of these apps through which you can customize how your payment method looks like. So for example, if I select Be Sure Checkout Rules option and I will be taken to this page, I will have to just click on this install button and I'll successfully install this application through which I can customize my checkouts. So you can use this application to customize checkout behavior by showing shipping or payment methods the way you want. You can reorder, rename or hide shipping payment methods at checkout using a combination of various conditions like cart total, wait address, items in cart, tags, etc. And you can add many more. So you can do all these things using this application. You can select any one of the application that was available on previous page and you can see the pricing for this application. Simply install this application and you'll be able to use it in the Shopify apps section on your dashboard. So you can do that as per your requirement. Now navigate to gift card expiration and choose whether you want your gift cards to expire or never expire. After this, you also have the option to Apple Wallet passes. You can give customers a digital Apple Wallet pass gift card to use online or in your retail stores. So click on customize here and you can choose the Apple Pass header's name, the card color. Click on this pencil icon, choose another color for your card. Now click on regular text color pencil icon and choose the color for the text. Choose secondary text color and choose the color for this text, that is the secondary color for the text at the top. Now you can add a custom logo by clicking on this plus icon. It is going to open up your PC's directory where you'll have to just select the logo that you want to be available on this page. Now, after selecting a custom logo, you'll have to click on add custom banner. If you want to do this, simply select the banner that you want to add and click on save. Now, after you click on save, your Apple Wallet pass will be updated according to that. So that was all about setting up payments on Shopify. You'll have to just navigate to payments and follow the instructions as are shown and you would have successfully set up Shopify payments. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.